Friends, I'm Yash and today I'm going to solve a problem about a pot of tea. So this is the problem. We had a pot of tea. I drank 3/8 of the tea. After my father drank 2/3 of the remainder, 100 ml of tea are left inside the pot. How many milliliters of tea were there originally? So this is a problem about cups. I'm going to solve this out. So this is my cup. I drank 3/8. I'm pouring 3/8. So the remainder is 5/8x.
5/8 of the
5/8 of the tea. Because before we poured it, this was actually an x. Now my father drank 2/3.
2/3 of
2/3 of the remainder, which the remainder is 5/8. Now there are 100 ml inside. There's 100 ml inside here. Now we're going to write it in equation form. Let us say we have x milliliters. So we don't know how many milliliters we have. Of which I drank 5/3. I drank 3/8. Three by 8x, for we don't know how much. And remainder of the leftover tea is 5/8x. How did you get 5/8x? So you see x minus 3/8x. We did that to get 5/8, to get the remainder. Those two x's are common and we put a bracket and we take 1 because those two are common and it's x times 1 is x. So 1 minus 3/8 is equal to 5/8x. Now my father drank 2/3 of the remainder. So multiplication is times is nothing but off. Off means times. Left over after my father drank is 5/8x times 1/3. So now we need to find how much of milliliters were there originally before anyone even drank. So we have half of the problem. 8x times 1/3. But then what did it equal to? After we all drank, how many milliliters were there? Like here, there was 100, the problem said there was 100 milliliters of tea left inside the pot. So it's equivalent to 100 milliliters. Now, when you solve an x, you have to start with this. And x equal to, actually 5/8x. Okay, x. So now we have to take everything to the other side and let's say if this is times, it turns to division. If you take it to the right hand side of the equal to, it turns to the opposite. If it's plus, it's minus, minus, it's plus. Division, multiplication, multiplication, division. So now x is equal to 100 milliliters. We take the 5/8 first, times 5/8. Actually 8/5 because you swap by 5 times 3. So 5 times 5 one time and 5 20 times. 5 times 20 is 100. So 20 times 8. 8 times 3 is equivalent to 16. So you take the 0 away and multiply the two numbers first. So it's 16 and then you add the 0. 160 times 3. 3. So you leave the 0 here and you do 16 times 3 is 48. Now you add the 0. Our x value is 480.
480?
480 milliliters.
Good.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Goodbye. See you on my next video.